Pangalawa, mga kapatid, prosperity gospel is a false doctrine because it presents a false message of Christ. It presents a false message of Christ. Ano ba ang mission ni Christ? Bakit siya naparito? Ano ba ang mensahe ni Christ nung nandito siya? The Bible is clear, Luke 19:10, for the Son of Man came to seek and to save that which was lost. Prosperity gospel will say, the Son of Man came to make you rich, to make you happy, para palakihin ang tiyan mo, mga kapatid, at taba ka na dahil overwhelmed ka na sa pagkain. Hindi yun ang sabi ng Bible. He came to seek and to save that which was lost. Matthew 1:21, thou shalt call his name Jesus. What is mission? For he shall save his people from their sins. Never about bank account, never about your work, never about money, never about material things. He came to save you from your sin. 1 Timothy 1:15, Christ Jesus came into the world to save sinners. That's clear in the Bible. He doesn't make bad people rich people. He came to save the sinners from eternal judgment. So, from cradle in Bethlehem to the cross of Calvary, napakalinaw ng Bible, ano ang dahilan ba't naparito si Kristo? Naparito siya to save our soul.